Hi everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to solve Facebook name error. Are you getting the dreaded characters not allowed error while changing your Facebook profile name? Don't worry, let's figure out what's going wrong and how to fix it. Open your browser and search for what names are allowed on Facebook. Click on the first link. Review Facebook's official guidelines to ensure your name complies. Facebook has strict rules about what you can and cannot use in your profile name. Here's what isn't allowed. Symbols, numbers, and unusual punctuations are not allowed. Unusual capitalization of words is also not allowed. Repeating characters is also not allowed. Characters from multiple languages should not be used. No professional, religious, or academic titles should be used. And also avoid phrases like cool dude or best friend. Offensive or suggestive words also should not be used. Anything inappropriate is prohibited. Also keep in mind that the name on your profile should be the name that your friends call you in every day. The name should also appear on an ID or document. Nicknames can be used as first or middle name. Another name can also be listed on your account. The goal is to prevent fake profiles and ensure authenticity. Go to your Facebook profile and try changing your name. Cross-check your name against Facebook's guidelines. Remove any disallowed characters, symbols, or words. Stick to your actual name and avoid any creative formatting. Once you meet Facebook's requirements, you should be good to go. And that's how you can solve Facebook's name error. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.